Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our last video, we saw the introduction parts of all entities, and today we will see the live process of those in the lead life cycle. If you didn't watch that video, please check it. The link is in the description. Let's get started. First, navigate to make.powerapps.com. Here, select the Sales Hub, then the window will pop up like this. Now select the opportunity. We created an opportunity in the last video, so we will go with that and open that opportunity here. Select the Product tab. In our last video, we created the price list and product and added those to the opportunity. In Product, select the price list and click on the Add Product button. Now select existing product and add the quantity of product. Then click on Save. Now the amount is auto-calculated and attached with opportunity. Now we will create a quote for our customer. Click on the Create Quote tab, then the New Quote button. Fill in all the required details and save it. Now, we have to send this quote to the customer. To do that, click on the Export to PDF button. In this PDF, we will send all the details about the product to the customer. You can download that PDF and send it to the customer via email. You can also save that to SharePoint. If the customer confirms the quote, then you have to click on Activate Quote to activate it. Now, you have to create an order for that. Just click on Create Order Entity and fill in all the required details. You can also add the discount for your customers, as I'm giving a 5% discount on this order. After filling in all the details, click on the Save button. Now it will generate an invoice for the order. To do that, click on the Create Invoice button. Here, fill in the shipping details, shipping method, and other details and click on Save. To confirm your invoice, click on Confirm Invoice. In the last step, click on the Invoice Pay button. Here, select the information for the payment of this invoice. Complete your invoice with the payment method, partial or completed. Here we have completed the whole life cycle. So, we have seen a process begin from lead to invoice, where we went through many entities and completed the lead life cycle. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Please do like and share the video. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get the new update. Thanks for watching.